After the first day at Rosse's Beach, we decided to go to the port of Arbatax, just 10 minutes away by car, to rent a dinghy for a tour on the coast. But shortly before entering the port area, our attention was caught by a sign with the writing, Rocce Rosse. And so, suddenly, we found ourselves in a large car park by the sea, flanked by imposing natural structures made of red rock. We leave the car and decide to go for a walk. A natural cathedral of red porphyry stands out in the bay.
Va, fai piano. Ti spingo.
The high red granite rocks give a unique and extremely fascinating appearance to this bay. They are also a great attraction for expert divers. This monument was used at the beginning of the 20th century as a mine for the extraction of natural material. It is said that even the hole present in the monument itself was used as a shelter for the workers of that time. Continuing a little further along the route, we find a series of stone artifacts erected on the coast, the pyramids of Morai.
Sabi mo siya off ito. All in all, very interesting. But now it's time to go to the port to see what the best dinghy rental offers are.